Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on BitTorrent. In my earlier video, that I was showing you that recently the price of BitTorrent broke down the support, a very long-term uptrend line support after breaking down an up channel. And this was one of those videos that I shared almost 2 days ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakdown, the price has tested this very long-term support zone that starts from 77 and goes to 73.0000 and 006 times $0.73 and bounce again, and this was the channel, by the way, that I was showing you that we broke down. And our target was also here at the bottom of the channel at 77. And exactly from that point, that target, the price and its bounce, because over there we had this long-term support. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this support zone has been previously breaking as a very strong support down here, support down here, and here, and here. And before that, it was breaking as a resistance on here and support down here as well. And now we have also lost this very significant uptrend line support as well that can now break at the resistance. If we switch back to the daily time frame, then you can see that while moving to the downside, we have found another support resistance here. That is the downtrend line resistance. Right now, the price is moving at this resistance once again. And here we have found this downtrend line support as well. And this is the formation of a falling wedge pattern, another falling wedge pattern that the Bryson has recently formed. And in today's video, we will also analyze this falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for LDO, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 24th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this are the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of BitTorrent. And here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it is moving inside this falling wedge pattern. We had a bounce here, bounce, rejection, bounce, and now the price line is once again reach the resistance. And in case of another rejection, it can test the support somewhere here, possibly at 7.1. But before that, we have a very long-term support zone from 7.7 to 7.3. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this support zone has been working as a very, very strong support zone recently. For the past several months, it is working as a very strong support from the month of August 2024 up till now. Before that, it was working as support zone here, and resistance zone here, and support zone here as well. Therefore, this time it can again work as a very, very strong support zone for the price line of BitTorrent. And you can see that we are also testing the resistance more than the support. That is another signal that the price end may break out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern rather than breaking down the support. And in case of breaking out this wedge, still we will need to break out this very long-term uptrend line resistance and this very long-term resistance zone from 108 to 115, because we have also broken down this support zone as well. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this support zone from 115 to 108 has been previously working as a resistance zone here, support zone here, and here it was also working as a resistance zone as well. And by the way, the technical target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at 190, and slightly higher than that target. We also have the target for the breakout from this previous down channel as well. That is here, approximately at 210. Now, if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long term uh, falling wedge pattern as well. And the long term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is at 255. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.